Explain how these things works. I am guessing you missed the point probably. uh, First of all, let me confirm me you get this file. uh, I mean uh, if I don't make a mistake or send you wrong file, okay? And then let me explain how this thing works. Okay, so this is the kind of configuration tab. You enter all basic data, purchase price, property details, different kind of percentage, cost percentage, etc. Okay, and then once you update this tab, you can see the dashboard. And the dashboard is calculated automatically. Everything here calculated automatically except only a few of cells. I mean few data that is supposed to be manual, like this one, that this can be changed. Okay, and yet I can move this into the excuse me config file, but I thought, or in my concern, this is better to keep here. Otherwise, it is difficult to understand from here to where to put input, or which cell are connected where. Okay, so if you want, I can move this in this tab and connect with here. Okay, so that's it. Otherwise, the dashboard works properly, works fine. And also you can easily print these things. I already set the print area with profile area. Okay, and then in this tab I don't think there is anything we need to change, and this is the basic things we can work. And again, this one also update with the formulas, so everything works fine here. You only need to change the image. Okay, and for the chart, I'm sorry, I did not I checked chart earlier but not this time. I'll check chart after finishing this video recording. Okay, so yet I think these are working properly, like 900, this should be okay. Yeah, okay, so it should work properly, as I know. Okay, should work properly. And then this one also working properly. I can see everything is connected with formulas. So what you are talking, I'm not sure. Probably if if I send you a wrong file, maybe that is what you can see. Okay, so in this step you only need to update things in this column. You can see the in this row, in this row if necessary. Otherwise everything is connected. I mean, when the parameter changes, you only update here. Otherwise it will work previous from the config tag. And again, I did not reset the chart. I will reset after this video recording. Let me see. And about this these two tabs also supposed to enter most of the data manually. Okay, because these parameters are not directly related or connected with our property data. These are like other data, administrative data and other things, and we should we better enter those data in here. Okay, and this also calculate automatically, so you only need to enter the basic data, that is obvious. And this one, you can see this one using formulas, as we have this data in our property dashboard or property data. Otherwise other thing is separate independent data, if I am not wrong. Again, everything. So I guess probably you received wrong file. Otherwise what I can say. Okay, please recheck and let me know where I need to change. Okay, and yes, I'm sorry about the other tab. I previously I also missed that one earlier. Okay, I will add this time after finishing this one. Okay. Okay, bye. And sorry for the inconvenience. I was trying my best to fulfill or make things easy for you. Let me know where to send. Okay, bye.